Welcome back to Tearing It Up with Tony. We got this old Ram 1500 that I'm tired of looking at. The transmission has some sort of issue. I've been just holding it here for a friend of mine for a while. But as a Christmas present, I'm gonna see if it doesn't start. I'm going to see if we can get it in the shop, and I might go ahead and drop the transmission for him so that we can get started on rebuilding it. No battery. Let's see. It's pretty low on oil too. I'll grab some oil and a battery. Alright, the battery's in. There's a little bit of oil in there. I'm not usually very lucky with this part, but let's see if it starts. Yep, not very lucky. So let's rule out a fueling issue. We'll take off the air filter housing. Good stuff. Interesting. Probably be handy to have a second pair of hands here. Let's see if I can destroy something. All right. Round two. Still nothing. Now I have my assistant. You ready? Well, it definitely seems like a woo! Woo! Explosive, huh? Yeah. So we have very little fuel pressure at the fuel rail. The pump definitely seems to be working, but it sounds dry, and we found what appears to be a siphoning hose, which fits just right. Let's fill it up. That's good. Yeah, it's not functional. Gonna be the guest star now. Alright, so we fabricated our own fuel filler hose. And now we got some gas. Hey, that's a little bit better. It's not great, but it's an improvement. Huh. Let's see, I'm gonna put, where's that starting fluid at? This ought to be exciting. All right. Huh. Let's try it one more time. Whoa, hey. All right. Oh no. Huh. Uno mas. We'll torture it to life. Hey. Well. Sustaining, huh? Do what? Yeah. Ooh-wee. All right, well.